আচ্ছা, কিভাবে বোঝাবো? তো আগের দিন আমি, if I'm not wrong, we are working on that particular informations like what is variable এবং ইকো স্টেটমেন্টকে কিভাবে মানে প্রিন্ট মেসেজকে কিভাবে অ্যাসাইন করা হয় এগুলো সম্বন্ধে একটু আইডিয়া করেছিলাম, মানে হাউ টু ডিক্লেয়ার দ্য ভ্যারিয়েবল, what are the type of variables. In this case we have know that we have 8 type of variable that is used in php. Okay, so right now we are discussing only 5 types, and later on we are discuss of others variable, like this is called non-primitive and user defined. So here array is the non-primitive, whereas object and resource is the user defined variables. And first 5, that is string, integer, float, boolean and null, these are the primitive data that is contain atomic value. Clear? Now these are the informations we have given, that how to declare a string type data type, or integer, or if it is boolean, or float or round of value, and that is null. Okay, and right now আমি যেটা তোমাদের বলেছিলাম, so when you print the null value it will be print simple blank space. There is a alternative way to, when a variable contain null value, so it will return 0. So that later on we will discuss how to print, check the null value if it is null, so how it's check. এটা যখন আমরা ডেটাবেসে কাজ করব বা পিএইচপি আরো ফার্দার মোর অ্যাডভান্স লেভেল নিয়ে কাজ করব, তখন আমি কনসেপ্টটা বোঝাবো। ওকে, and these are the in built functions, that is get type, so it will return the type of the variables only, integer or string. If you know more details about the variables, so then we just type var temp and provide the your variable, so it will return the name of the variable including size and value. Name of the variable means type of the variable, name, size, value. Okay, and then we have to check if someone, মানে এটা আমার খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফাংশনস, জাস্ট রাইট ডাউন ইচ সেট ইজ টু মাচ ইম্পর্টেন্ট, বিকজ বাই যখন তোমরা পরবর্তীকালে প্রজেক্টের কাজে ইউজ করবে, যে ফর্মের থ্রু দিয়ে যখন ডেটা চেক করছে, সো ডেটা ইজ এমটি অন নাল, মিন্স ওয়েদার ইট ইজ এমটি অর নট, সো ইচ সেট ইজ most useful, মানে maximum cases we are using is set, so it will return true or value, so whether variable is defined or not. Okay, clear? So right now we are discussing about variable demo. So now we are going to create another file, say number.php. বোঝাতে পারছি সবাইকে? So php and question mark. So let's say how to declare a variable. So before I'm starting, so these are the content I've discussed. So declaring মানে these are the topics we are cover in this class. So how to declare different type of data like numbers. In case of number, so what are the arithmetic operations, assignment with math operator, increment operations, decrement operation, number checking functions, conversions and number functions, and formatting the number. Okay, so first all আমি যখন কোনো ভ্যারিয়েবল ডিক্লেয়ার করব, so already we have to know how to declare the variables. So before given the name of the variable, we should start a dollar symbol. So dollar inform to the php compiler that we have provided a variable. Say this time we are already, I have also, so let's see, uh, these are the options a b c. So I'm writing $a is equal to say 1 and then semicolon. This is a declaration of number. So when you write a 1, so it will treat it as a integer number, integer type variables, integer number. Okay. বুঝতে পারছি যখনই আমি এ লিখবো, বিকজ ওয়াই আমি বলেছি পিএইচপি ইজ দ্য ডাইনামিক ইন নেচার, সো the data type depend on not name of the variables, depend on the value of that value that you have to assign on the variable. So when you assign to ones, it will treat it as a integer number. Suppose you have assigned that again, what will be if I print echo, Okay, echo and then get type of this name of the variables. We will find the okay save. So close, minimize all the content, copy, and create a incognito new Google Chrome. Okay, here also. So paste and then write down local host. There is some mistake I have to done, so we have to find out the what is the error. আমি একটা ভুল করেছি, so তোমাদের find করতে হবে. So now what will be happens when we are writing test.number.locals, it will be site is cannot be reached. Whether my program কোনো ভুল হয়েছে, because why we are not opening our server, that is Apache. So before start any PHP, we have to run XAMPP control. Okay. So let me someone to join. Okay. So this time we have to open XAMPP. Okay. Controller. Open it and simply run the Apache. So no need to install MySQL. So right now we are not talking about the MySQL. So just Apache and minimize them, and then refresh it. So line number 6, it return variable. Okay, number dot php on line number 6. Okay, get echo. Okay, oh sorry, and written. Let's see. There is informations undefined variable $s on line number, and that's why it's 6. So a is the variable, and now refresh. So you can see integers. Okay. So or if I write var dump of $a and semicolon, and if I refresh it, so again say a, so it will return integer 1. Okay, integer 1. Okay, clear? বোঝাতে পারলাম সবাইকে? হ্যালো, ক্লিয়ার? হ্যালো, ভয়েস শোনা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
সবাই শুনতে পাচ্ছে তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. So let's say we're starting a different type. So if I say b is equal to 2 or 3,
স্যার মাঝে মাঝে আপনার ভয়েসটা স্লো হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
দাঁড়াও মাইকটাকে মুখের সামনে নিয়ে কথা, এবার শোনা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ শোনা যাচ্ছে।
b is equal to 3, and here we have declared c is the variable, this time 2.45. Now what will be happens, so if I say 2.45, so this variable treated as a float variables. So if I go to dump or dump dump and then $c semicolon and refresh it, so you can see float 2.45. Okay, clear? So this is float, and when you go for dollar b, so it will be treated as a integer variable, so this time integer. Okay, so if I say another way, so let's see, we have these are the different type. Now arithmetic operations is one of the simplest operations. Already you have to know about the arithmetic operation in Python. So I'm given you, say, let's say echo and $e and then plus $b again is equal to, so concatenation. Okay, and then we have written $e plus $b, and then followed by breaking line. So what will be happen, so if I say, so you can omit this part dot, so it will show 1 plus 3 is the 4, because why, if I print all of them, so echo, right now we have double dollar A, so it stands for print. So if I say this, so it will be print warning double dollar. So we are using say dollar A. Okay, someone. So dollar A is equal to your value, that is dollar A. Okay, and same thing we are doing for B. This is C. B and this is C, and after that we have given a breaking line, so, comma and double quote, and okay, and this is my operations, and after that merge breaking line. Okay, clear হচ্ছে সবার? Okay, these are the basic mathematics. Okay, so I'm writing E is equal to 5 this time. Okay, and you can see 5. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And now same operation we have done with arithmetic. This is arithmetic operations. So we have subtraction. So minus and minus. So let's see, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, and also we have multiplications, so into and into সবটা স্ক্রিনশট পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি আমি এক্ষুনি, and then we have division. These are the general operations, and also we have remainder operations, so this time percentage. Okay, and percentage, and this is what the result 1.67. So right now if you going for division, by default division always return a float value. If you want to quotient value, so you can write this way. So just you given double division. Okay, division, and instead of single division. Okay, so this is double. Hmm. So okay, and this will be returned 167. Just a minute, hold on. So there is no মানে আমাদের কাছে সেরকম কোনো symbol নেই, so before I going to divisions you should be convert as a integer. This is another typecasting operations I'm going to. So these operations will be treated as, sorry, now if I go for operations, integer the operations. Working int is a function. Now it is 5 by 3. What is it is written? 5 by division is 1. So এখানে দেখো কি হচ্ছে, যখন আমি normal division করছি it will return as a float point. Okay, that's the default division's value, always return the floating. So if you want the quotient means integer value, first you have to typecast all the operations. Like here $a will be treated as a integer division, so it will convert a to integer. রাইট নাও আমি যখনই কোনো a variable কে division করব it will treat it as a float. So if you want quotient, so first int, this is a typecast, so later when we will discuss how to conversion on integer to float or float to integer, this is the way you have to typecasting. So you say that my variables during the divisions is a float, now it is convert into the integer and then divided by b. So 5 by 3, so it will be written always 2. So 5 by 3, so 1 and remainder is 2. Okay, clear? বুঝতে পারলাম? হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এনি ডাউট তোমাদের যদি থাকে বলো। And these are the basic thing we have right now done at native automation. Okay, so same as, okay. So right now we have another operations like mathematic operations. Okay, so these are the divisions, multiplication, several, and see. So let's see assignment with math operator. So like example, mm, so we can say, okay, omit this line. So doubt থাকে তোমরা বলতে পারো. Right now we have ABCs, just omit this line. Okay, and then go to the, so there is a lots of math operator, like if I say dollar a, sorry, e is equal to dollar a plus 1, it is valid, and then followed by echo. So just like this. Okay, so the dollar echo when written on single statement, dollar echo, and then we have given a breaking line followed by dollar a. So dollar a and semicolon. So what will be written? I refresh, it will return 6. 6 means why? Because a is now 5. So after increment operations means increment. So I'm written as increment operations. So it is going to return here Ctrl X. Increment. So that a is now 6. Okay. And after that, I given বুঝতে পারছি, আর বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে? ওকে, কারো বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয়েছে? You can write this way also. So same thing you can done this way. So plus is equal to 1. This is also valid. Okay, and this time it is 7 because right now is 6 and after increment. So another. So clear concept? Hello, ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the increments and same thing if I am doing of dollar B. So copy this content and this time we are going to using dollar D and D minus 1 decrement operations. So decrement D and write this way also and also D is and these are the basic operations. This is 7 6. So after decrement a b is the 3. After decrement 2 times first it is 2 and this and next it's a 1. Okay, you can multiply the 5 times. So these are the operations. So I'm doing same way. Mm, or I say I said dollar b, this time b increment by uh, may increment by 3 times. So this is 3. So write down equal to dollar b into 3. Okay, and increment in b, and right now b is 3. Okay, if I process this thing repeatedly, so using of equals into equals to 3, it is also valid, and this is the 9. Okay, same thing you can do. Suppose say I'm writing as increment by a 4 times, so into 4 into 4, so that will be 28, and then if I decrement by 4 times, so this time division same as, so increment 4 times, so back to 4, and this is increment by 3 times. বোঝাতে পারছি? সিম্পল জিনিস তোমরা এগুলো করেছো, জাস্ট আমাকে বলতে হয় তাই বলে দিচ্ছি। So these are the, so this is 3 times increment, 3 times increment, and after 3 times after 4 times decrement. Okay, these are the mathematical operation into multiplications and divisions. Okay, and here it is some example of my notepad. So these are the possible assignment operator. Even you can assign the value, say example. So right now if I go for type var dump, okay, var dump of dollar $c, so it will return as a right. So float 2.45. Now I have to assign dollar $c in number, and this time we have write okay, a is a 3. Okay, so now write a. Okay, into is equal to 2, and then we assign say dollar C is equal to dollar A modulus division by dollar B, and then yeah, operations. So dash dollar C is now to dollar C, and this is the result. And if I go to var dump after checking what is the status of this variable C, so now it is convert into the integer. Okay, so save, uh, refresh. You can see I'm not given any breaking line. Uh, line and here also we are given a breaking line. So, let's see. So now float is 2.5. After assign the dollar $, now it's convert to integer. So on that case, we no need to use the explicitly any typecasting. So float 2.4 as a treated as a dollar $b, because why it is assigned as a 2.45. So here it is. Now after assign the b, dollar, sorry, it is b not, it is c. So this time C. So dollar C is 2.45. So now it is converted into the integer number. That's why it is show int 5. Clear? যদি কোনো ডাউট থাকে বলো তোমরা। বুঝতে পারলাম অপারেশনস বেসিক প্রিন্ট স্ক্রিন বোঝাতে পারছি? কঠিন লাগছে কি তোমাদের জিনিসটা? হ্যালো, হ্যালো, বোঝাতে পারছি তো?
हाँ हाँ सर, हाँ सर।
ওকে, okay. Then we go for operations like and if. So now increment operator and decrement operator. Say let's say I'm going to remove all the content, not remove, just comment this line. Okay, so it's now $6 2.45. Now increment, there is a two type of operator. So already we have to know that how to increment the variable using a dollar a is equal to dollar a plus one, or you can write dollar a into something into is equal to one. So both are applicable. But when you going to increment by 4 times 3 times, on that case you cannot use increment or decrement operator. So its default increment value, default value is 1 always. Same thing, default value 1. Same thing, increment operator by default it's increment by the 1, and same thing applicable for decrement operator, but instance of increment it will decrement by 1. So right now say dollar e is equal to 5. So if I going for increment operation, say echo and then dollar e plus plus, so what will be happen? So let's see, will show 5. Okay, and then further if I print again echo statement of dollar a, so it will show the final value of a, and that is 6, and you can see 5 6. Okay, clear? This is so because why increment operator, what should be the property of increment operator? First it will be assigned the value. So within echo statement, when you written dollar a, so it will print the value, and at background it will increment by 1. So final result will be reflected if again we have print the value of a, dollar a. So but if I say this one dollar a plus plus, so on that case you can find same thing if I write dollar $a, or you can write as a, so I'm showing you, this is the way, plus 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 a and plus plus. So this, if I write here plus plus and then a, both are same, there is a no difference, is 6. Okay, but only difference is, দেখো তোমাদের ডিফারেন্সটা কেমন হচ্ছে। So let's see, this is the first operation, same thing I'm doing. Okay, for uh, whatever the plus plus or plus plus, both are same, result will be same. Okay, now I say dollar b is equal to b and plus plus and plus plus b, and it will print with the echo statement. So echo dollar b. So what will be happen? So it will return 4. Okay, because it is pre-increment, and after if you print the dollar b value, so result will be 4. So dollar b. Let's give in the break. Okay, breaking line and breaking line. Now you can see 44 and 6, because first time we have issue. Same thing we're doing for post increment. So copy paste. So in that case it will be different. So first it will be print the value of d and then it will increment. So right now d is 4, so it will be show 4, or after increment it will be show 5. So that means output will be 45. Clear? বুঝতে পারলাম? Any doubt? Hello? Hello? কোনো
Yes,
doubt
sir.
আছে? Any doubt?
No, sir. Good, sir.
Okay. Same thing if I go for dollar b is right now 5. So if I going to simple, there is a two type decrement, post increment or post decrement and post decrement and pre decrement. So if I say dollar b minus minus, and then we have print the echo statement of dollar b. Before so yeah, breaking line. So this is 4. Okay. So because why b is find b last previous operation b is now 5, now it is changed to 4. And same thing, it will be no change if I say minus minus semicolon, result will be same, no change. Okay, but it will be reflected when you print on echo statement. Say, let's say 3, and this time uh, in the value minus minus b, and then print here. On that case it will be returned 33, because it pre-decrement means it will decrement first and then value will be assigned. Same thing for post decrement. So on that case it will print first value and then decrement. I'd say uh, dollar b minus minus, so it will show e2. Okay, so print screen বোঝাতে পারছি?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and here it is the operations of increment and decrement. আমি একটু ফাস্ট করাচ্ছি বিকজ অলরেডি ইউ হ্যাভ টু নো অ্যাবাউট দিস অপারেশনস, তোমরা এগুলো পাইথনে পড়েছো। তো ওয়ে অফ রাইটিং মিনস হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সিনট্যাকটিক্যাল অর রাইটিং, সেটা আমি দেখিয়ে দিলাম। ওকে, সো রাইট নাও অ্যান্ড নাও নেক্সট ইজ দ্য নাম্বার চেকিং অপারেটর। So number checking operator means whether it is a integer number or float number. So let's say I'm going to assign e is equal to 1. Okay, and then b is equal to say hello. Okay, and after that we have assigned dollar C is equal to 2.45. Okay, these are the number. So we are going to print all of them. So just comment this code also here. Copy this content and comment. So we going to just we have print this content and this is the result. So right now we have a equal to 1 is treated as a number. So if we print all the content, so it will show. So let's say I'm showing as a var dump. So assign this var dump within the code statement. So dollar a, sorry, dollar a first I'm checking whether it is working on it. So hello dollar a breaking lines. So because why it is not breaking line. Hello. आ जाइए यूट्यूब पे आ जाइए in हाँ ऊपर फर्स्ट फ्लोर में फर्स्ट फ्लोर में आ जाइए फर्स्ट फ्लोर में this इधर मिल जाए फर्स्ट फ्लोर में इधर मिल जाए for term dollar a. So let's see dollar a integer I. So same thing I'm doing for dollar b also. So copy this line, this, this, copy this. Yes, then for b, and this for c. So So these are the variable. So integer a is equal to 1 as the integer, dollar b hello it is string, and 5 is the define of the size of the number of characters in dollar b means string, that is size, and this is the value, and 2.4 point float. So right now we have first checked whether it is integer or number. So we have a function's name. There's a lot of functions, so we can write this way: is int or is float. So just a minute, hold on. There is a num. এক মিনিট wait করো।